Howdy, howdy, folks. Once again, it is Donnie coming at you with another cybersecurity awareness report. And this time we're looking at an article from the Register about a real fake scam which offers crypto coin to replace frequent flyer points. And what this is about a little educational project that has been created by the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. Yes, that is the regulatory agency which governs stock markets and such like, and they're wanting to regulate the crypto coin industry as well, just that right now the laws don't really permit them to do that. So anyway, what they've done instead here in this case is they set up a website called howiecoins.com, which is the newest and only coin offering that captures the magic of coin trading profits and the excitement and guaranteed returns of the travel industry. Yay! So, and here it tells you about how they're going to do it, and they're partnering with all segments of the travel industry, earning your coins that you can trade for profit instead of points. And they add that these coins are officially registered with the U.S. government. They will trade on an SEC-compliant exchange where you can buy and sell them for profit. They can be used with existing points programs. They can be exchanged for cryptocurrencies and cash, can be spent at any participating airline or hotel, can also be redeemed for merchandise. So how do you sign up? Well, if you try to sign up, you're going to be sent to an investor.gov webpage that explains how this howiecoins.com site contains lots of elements of real cryptocurrency scams. We created the bogus howiecoins.com site as an educational tool to alert investors to possible fraud involving digital assets like cryptocurrencies and coin offerings, the page says. Going on to explain the features that howiecoins.com shares with real scams. The SEC has repeatedly warned about cryptocurrencies, telling those who sell them to stay on the right side of the securities laws and companies trying to cash in by changing their names to block something that they are being watched. And the CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, Warren Buffett, recently voiced the opinion that cryptocurrencies attract people who are less than stellar character and will come to a bad end. And of course, Facebook just recently has banned ads for cryptocurrencies, for initial coin offerings and all that kind of good stuff. Okay, so anyway, what do we got here? We have the howiecoins.com site, which this is the site that was set up by the Securities and Exchange Commission. We have the pre-ICO sale. Pre-initial coin offering sale is live. 15% bonus round ends in 14 days, 22 hours, 22 minutes, and 19 seconds. And we can scroll on down, and we can see all of the great features of this new cryptocurrency, which I just read to you from the Register website. And we have the investment ladder. It tells you about all the great features of this coin as an investment opportunity. And we have a very distinguished looking team which is in charge of the howiecoins.com site and the Howie Coins. And testimonials, well, this is not a real testimonial here that I see. A testimonial is when you have somebody saying, hey, I bought these coins and they've really done well for me. Well, this is not a testimonial here. This is just this team telling us about how great of an investment this is. We anticipate over 1% daily returns with double 2% returns on Tier 1 investors in pre-ICO stage secured purchases. The average registered coin return over a 2-month period in 2017 was an amazing 72% based on market conditions, including record-setting prospects in both the digital asset and travel industries. We expect surpassing that before the Tier 2 offering closes. We also forecast a minimum growth rate of between 7% to 15% annualized, making Howie Coins attractive for long-term investment And in addition, Howie coins can serve as a guaranteed edge against inflation and market loss. Oh, that sounds real great, doesn't it? And then we have these messages from the celebrity promoters. Oh, look at these celebrities. Yeah, I know all these celebrities. Yeah, McWardle. McWardle says, can't wait to participate in the next cryptocurrency explosion. Howie coins are going to change the travel landscape forever. Rio Drummer Star. Howie coins are how we invest. Boxing Champ 1934. I'm all about Howie coins. This thing is going to pop at the top. Alrighty. So, I'm sure that every one of you recognizes these celebrities, right? You know, I'd be more impressed if the drummer were maybe Keith Moon. Well, never mind, he's dead, so that wouldn't work either. Okay, so we click on the link to go buy some Howie coins. And instead of taking us to a purchase page, it takes us to investor.gov. And investor.gov here explains about how this site contains the elements of a scam. And here it tells us about these different red flags, claims of high guaranteed returns, which you can boil down to just a single sentence. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is too good to be true. And then celebrity endorsements. Well, yeah, okay, sometimes, celebrities can add a air of believability, an air of integrity, maybe. There's some celebrities maybe you can trust, but can you trust all of them? Well, I'm sure I'm not going to trust those celebrities that they had on their site, because, I have no idea who they are. But still, even if they're well-known celebrities, it doesn't guarantee that it's good investment. The celebrities, who knows? They might have been fooled into believing the fake messages here too, So, yeah, even the celebrity endorsements, this doesn't necessarily make this a good investment. Claims of SEC compliant. Well, anybody can say that something's SEC compliant. Have you gone to the SEC to really check on this outfit, though, to see if they are SEC compliant? Well, probably not, right? But the SEC does have some strict standards, before they will say that something is compliant, with the regulations. And they have been warning, if you know anything about SEC history in the last few years, they have been putting out warnings about the initial coin offerings, about the cryptocurrency in general. And then next red flag, investing with a credit card. And that's, just the idea there that most licensed and registered investment firms don't allow customers to use credit cards or to buy investments or to fund an investment account. And then we have the pump and dump scams. And yes, this has been a problem over the past few years. There have been quite a number of initial coin offerings which, they debut at super high values. Their values get pumped up even higher and higher and higher. And all of a sudden, people start selling off and the prices crash. And that's happened a few times. So that's one of those things, right? But anyway, understand, I'm not here to get political or anything. And I really don't like the idea of governments stepping in and regulating the cryptocurrency market because part of the appeal of cryptocurrency is to get away from government regulations, get away from government-run central banks and all the bad things that central banks have done. It's not like governments have their hands clean when it comes to financial improprieties. Look what they do with central banking, where they issue all this fiat money at super low zero interest rates, causing inflation and really kind of causing a pump and dump with the stock market too, when you think about it. So, yeah, they don't have their hands clean. I'd rather the government just stay out of it. I would rather see the crypto coin industry if that's what you want to call it, if you want to call it an industry. I'd rather see them, come up with their own schemes, their own systems for self-regulating and to be able to call out the scams when they see them. And to a certain extent that has happened. We do have some sites which review initial coin offerings. Honestly, though, I haven't really checked into the whole initial coin offering thing deeply enough to be able to tell which ones are real, which ones are fake. So I just don't buy the initial coin offerings myself. But if you are going to do them, do due diligence, do research, and there are people out there who make money off of them because there are a lot of real ones out there which do well. But if you're going to do them, do your due diligence, do your research, and try to find out whether or not you are getting a legit cryptocurrency. Anyway, that's all I got for now. And if you like the channel, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.